Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Today's objective is to mow, even though it's been raining. Gotta mow, getting ready for a short trip to the mountains. Looking forward to that next week. And so I'm gonna mow, I'm gonna try and weed eat. I'm going to try to install this over here because the rain on our downspout makes all of the water settle right next to the garage door, and then I have to pressure wash it, and it's nasty. So I'm hoping this will redirect it down the driveway. So we're going to work on that, and I may do a little pressure washing. We'll see. The neighbors are having a yard sale, which makes it oh so wonderful to have to work outside. And even though I have my garage up but nothing laid out, people drive by going really slowly thinking that I have something for sale just because my neighbor is having a yard sale. But let's get to work. Easy peasy.